Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're going to be doing a quick video about this new vacuum attachment I got from Home Depot. So I'm going to show you the car real quick. It has like cat hair on the seats and stuff, so hopefully you guys can see it. Let me flip it around. You see it all right there. It's a little embedded, not too bad. But yeah, so let me take you check out this attachment though. Doesn't look like much. Let me get you guys in the light so you can see it. Doesn't look like much, but damn, this should be working though. So I'm gonna put you guys on the other side and you can watch me vacuum the seat real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. Mark out. Damn, so did you guys see that? All that cat hair is gone. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description. Home Depot, I believe it was like $8. This should be working. All right guys, till the next video, have a good one. Mark out.